Coinbase opens accounts for AI agents. With x402 payment rails, Coinbase announced Coinbase for Agents, a product that gives an AI agent its own account to execute trades, manage a portfolio, and run autonomously inside limits the owner sets. The company posted the launch from its official account on June 11, 2026, framing it as the point where agentic finance stops being a demo and starts holding real balances. The pitch is direct. Instead of a person clicking through every order, the agent gets credentials of its own and acts on them. Coinbase lists 3 jobs at launch: executing trades, managing a portfolio, and operating under guardrails. A fourth capability, paying for data and research tools through a protocol called x402, is scheduled to arrive the following week. X402 turns agents into paying customers. The X402 piece is the part worth watching. It is a payment standard built around the long-dormant HTTP 402 payment required status code, designed so software can settle small charges on its own without a human entering card details. An agent that needs a market feed or research API can pay per call in stablecoins and keep working. That changes the shape of who pays for things online. Today, a subscription sits behind a human's card. With X402, the buyer can be a script that tops up its own access as it runs. Coinbase is positioning its account product as the wallet behind that activity. Limits the owner sets, not the agent. Autonomy here is bounded. Coinbase describes the agent as running under guardrails, meaning the account holder defines what the agent can do and how much it can move before a human steps in. That detail matters because an agent with unsupervised spending power and a live balance is a new category of risk, not just a convenience. The guardrail layer is what separates a useful tool from a runaway one. Coinbase has not published full pricing, regional availability, or the exact guardrail controls in the launch post. Those specifics will decide how usable the product is in practice, and they are not in the announcement. Agentic payments inch toward cards. For anyone watching crypto payments, this lands in the same wave as Visa's tie-up with OpenAI and Wirex joining Visa's Agentic Ready program. Card networks and crypto platforms are both racing to define how an autonomous agent pays. The link to physical spending is still indirect. A Coinbase account funding an agent is not the same as the Coinbase card you tap at a register, but the two are converging. Once agents hold balances and settle payments on their own rails, the next question is whether they can spend through the same Visa and MasterCard surfaces that crypto cards already use. X402 settling in stablecoins points one way. Tokenized card credentials point another. Cardholders do not need to do anything today. Coinbase for Agents is an account product aimed at developers and power users, not a change to existing card terms. The signal to track is whether agent accounts gain spending access at merchants, which would pull this out of the trading app and into everyday payments.